Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain the article. The title is Comparison of Max 3100 Blood Oxygen Detector Result with Smartwatch. Before I continue to the topic of discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Rafael Putra and my study number 41. Okay, in this presentation, there are seven discussion. First abstract, second introduction, third flowchart, fourth tools and materials, fifth result, sixth discussion, seventh conclusion. And abstract in this article, the development of modern component technology makes it possible to create practical, compact, reliable, effective, efficient equipment or instrumentation. The health sector as an essential component of life is also not spared from technological support. One significant indicator of oxygen supply in the body is oxygen saturation, because oxygen saturation can show whether hemoglobin can bind oxygen or not. So that the lack of oxygen which is at risk of damage to essential organs in the body can be overcome. By using the max 31 sensor is a detection tool that will be used to detect oxygen level with saturation level, namely normal and abnormal. And the tool is controlled by Arduino Nano as the control of the entire circuit. With the output display on the OLED LCD, and tests have been carried out times and compared with the result using a smartwatch with an average difference of 0.73%. And next introduction, with advance in modern component technology, tools and instruments that are practical, small, powerful, and effective can be made. Technology also helps the health sector, which is an important part of life. It's from the work that used to be done by hand, now done by electronic equipment. Oxygen saturation is a very important indicator of amount of oxygen available to the body, as it shows the ability of the hemoglobin can to bind oxygen, which also which allow the reduction of the quantity of oxygen that is harmful to the vital organs of the body to cope with. This is especially important for patients who have recently undergone surgery or have respiratory and cardiovascular problems. Well, what is being done here is to design a device for detecting oxygen level in the blood using the MAX 3100 sensor. This tool can measure the level of oxygen level in the blood through infrared light, so that the result of reading this level will be displayed on the LCD using two categories, namely if the oxygen level is more than 85%, then it categorized as normal, and vice versa if it is more than 85%, then it is categorized as abnormal. So that this result appear on the LCD, and then the result obtained will be compared with the measurement result using the smartwatch. Next flowchart, from above, starting to run and initializing the Max 3100 sensor. The sensor will measure oxygen level in the blood. If the sensor measure oxygen level below 90%, it is categorized as abnormal. And when the sensor measure 80% and above, it is categorized as normal, can be seen on the LCD screen, and it's finished. The result of the software design in this study include the design of an oxygen saturation measure instrument with units or percent. This value is obtained after successfully carrying out software design by entering the appropriate source code in the Arduino IDE. After success, it will appear on the LCD screen. The presentation results are obtained from the calibration between oxygen saturation and blood. Tools material in this article: first, Max 3100 sensor; second, Arduino; third, OLED LCD; fourth, lithium-ion battery; fifth, watch strap. And result of this article is the fingertip are placed on top of the Max 3100 sensor. And if the Max 3100 sensor detect oxygen level more than 85%, then the description of the oxygen level is abnormal. And vice versa, if the sensor detects oxygen level less than 85, then the oxygen information level is normal and the sensor reading will be displayed on the LCD. And the discussion, after testing the comparison of the two devices using a smartwatch, which has been recognized for its accuracy, the result of the comparison show the level of reading and the response of the reading from the two devices in reading oxygen level in the plot. The Max 3100 sensor reads oxygen level with an average difference not too far from smartwatch, as well as the response rate in reading oxygen level. The Max 3100 sensor is faster in the process of detecting oxygen level with the time span of 2 until 4 seconds, while the response rate for reading oxygen level using a smartwatch is around 2 to 4 minutes. And the process of reading oxygen level using a smartwatch is faster. Time compared to the Max 3100 sensor, and to determine the value of the average difference, the test result will be formulated using the MSE or mean squared error formula as in the table above. So the conclusion about this article is first, the result of each sensor reading will be displayed on the LCD so that the oxygen level detected by the sensor can be known. Second, of the 10 long tests, the result of measuring oxygen level in the blood are an average of 2 until 4 seconds. The third, out of 10 tests, an error rate of 0.734 was obtained. Thank you. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.